house.
I actually flooded in gambling game.
Not such, no. You get puddles and
Yeah.
but you don't get there's no sort of danger of. We're too high up actually.
Yeah, it's gambling game is up in the air, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's not a low-lying area of Cambridgeshire at all. What town's this?
This is Redmire.
Oh, Redmire, right, okay. For the record, I post it. Drains up pretty quick then, doesn't it?
Yeah, there it goes.
Yeah, I suppose that's the advantage of being up hills. Just goes.
We're about 7.
Stream by the side of the road. Assuming that normally be empty, wouldn't it?
It's normally got something in it, but not in it much of that.
Oh, and there is what to call it up there.
That's Bolton Castle, Castle Bolton.
Castle Bolton. I've been in that many years. I've been in that.
Have you?
Yes, I think so. Trips up here.
Whoa.
Good one.
Actually, I wasn't about the road yet. We've got the puddle on the other side of the. What's his name? The stomach turning hill. Right.
Is that the one you were talking about?
Yeah. Well, actually, it's normally further back, so. Not sure that's it.
Oh, well, anyway, we got it. That one on film with lorry coming the other way, which is good. Any more of those, or is that it for the moment?
That's probably it, really.
Right. Well, I like this big stream over here. It's all gone. Over there. Capturing all this bit here.
That is normally just a little. That is normally just a little tiny little stream.
Yeah.
At least they've got the sheep over the side. they're normally that side.
Well, he's obviously moved them for sensible precautions. Oh yes. This is pretty Oh, get a nice low wall, it'd be nice. Oh, here we are.
To get works.
That is pretty good over there. But
It's amazing how fast it all drains away once the rain stops.
oh yeah. And of course the ground remains meanwhile completely saturated, therefore the next drop of rain just fills it back up again.
It's been like that here, right?
Yeah. That is just ridiculous.
But at least this is floodplains
Yeah,
used
say.
for what they're intended.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
They're not
absolutely.
trying to build a housing estate up there.
No, which they would do if it was south of England.
Yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. Well, it's all very well building on floodplains. I suppose what you could do is actually just build everything on stilts, and that would be fine.
And they say then too, they build these places and they say, oh, we've got flood prevention schemes in place, but all that means is they're sending water elsewhere.
We've had a couple of really serious disasters with that. There's one.
You used to be able to get along the river there. You get over worse than flats.
Well, you know, it was doable yesterday, but
Yeah.
the water level does change very fast, especially when it rains. It was raining all night, actually.
It was, yeah. Here we are back in Askrigg.
At least the wind dropped a bit, 'cause it was the wind I was worried about last night.
Yeah, because all the way up the motorway yesterday there were signs saying, you know, high winds forecast tonight. Thinking, right, where have they gone to?
When it was blowing down,
Was it?
it did screw everything down like that.
Your house is fairly well protected because it's stuff in front of it and stuff behind it. My God, Philly, that's amazing.